Flannels, flannels, flannels. Hello friends, my name is Edmund and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're speaking on flannels. It seems as though this is the current and most popular fashion trend right now, especially in menswear. So I thought, why not also hop on the trend and put together 3 outfits of my choice from 2 flannels I picked up from Uniqlo. The first of the 2 is this dark grey corduroy shirts, which I picked up from Uniqlo for £24.90. As you can see, there's a wide range of colours and I went for a size XL. The first outfit consists of the Uniqlo dark grey corduroy shirt with Uniqlo CREWNECK short sleeve in white, Stone Island cargo trousers in grey, and finishing off the Nike Dunk High Panda. The second shirt is this dark brown checked shirt flannel from Uniqlo for £24.90 and also comes in the colour navy. I also picked this one up in a size XL. For outfit number 2, we'll be using the dark brown checked flannel along with the Uniqlo white CREWNECK tee from the first outfit. I also did a video on this, so you can find that in the description. Military first black Helicon trousers and off-white Jordan 5s in black. For the third and final outfit of the video, I threw in a printed tee because I'd seen some people rocking printed tees, graphic tees underneath their flannels. This printed tee is the Cortez black tee, and then you have the same pieces from the previous outfit, the dark brown flannel shirt, the military black Helicon trousers, and the Nike Dunk High Pandas, which I happen to do a video on, so you can find that video in the description. But let me know your thoughts on flannel shirts over shirts. Is it one item of clothing you own in your current wardrobe? If not, are you considering it after this video? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And which 3 out of the 3 outfits did you prefer the most? Be sure to pick a number and leave in the comment section down below. If you are interested in any of the shirts, I will leave a link to those in the description. I appreciate you guys for checking in today, and as always, stay blessed.